By the end of this video, you'll know the proper way to make tender, flawless eggplant skillet every single time. If your eggplant turns mushy, oily, or bitter, you know you're doing it wrong. The fix? Salt the eggplant, let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse and pat completely dry. This removes bitterness, keeps the flesh tender, and stops it from soaking up too much oil. A little patience makes all the difference. Here's a quick demo before we start cooking. For a vegan version of this dish, simply skip the mozzarella cheese and still satisfying, believe it or not, feels like a comfort food and stays healthy. Other options, enjoy it with a tahini herb sauce or yogurt sauce. I'll leave the recipes for both of them down below the description, so check them out if you're interested. Very simple, only a few ingredients needed. So now you have seen and learned the secret to getting tender, flavorful eggplant without drying them in oil. Okay, now it's your turn to try this recipe once and tell me if it changes your mind about eggplant and if this recipe saved you from another soggy disaster. Hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you're still hungry for more, please explore my other videos and I will catch you in the next episode very soon as we explore other one-time creations. Until then, stay healthy and take care.